Alright, so this is going to sound really weird. For some reason, with this JVC screen over here, I get interference whenever it's hooked up. This alarm, for some reason, just becomes unresponsive. Occasionally it'll pick up, occasionally it doesn't. But right now I have this brand new JVC unit in here. No matter what I do on it, it's completely responsive. But as soon as I go ahead and I swap out the head unit, turn it on, and suddenly it's unresponsive. I can sit here and push it a bunch of times, and it eventually picks up. So I'm really hoping it's this radio. Hopefully I can get a new replacement.